Okay, that's enough. So, two things. Number one, what's your feelings, okay, emotion in particular, why listening to this song. Okay. Secondly, we're going to analyze the content. Okay, so as I suggest, much better to have your paper and ball pen and write some important words as we analyze it. Okay. Especially in connection with our lesson today and even our lesson in the past. Okay? Anyone? What's your general feelings? Why is it in this song? What's your feeling?
Sad.
Sad? Why is
Kasi
sad?
po, yung station po, sabi ko sa kanta, para lang daw po sa mayayaman. But, paano naman po yung mga kaya afford ng ano po, para mag-depend po sa stage.
You are already analyzing the content. Well, just another thing, okay, sad, because the lyrics itself, okay, there are some discrimination. What else? What's your feelings on listening to this?
Feel sad and angry po kasi sa totoo siyang nangyayari.
So that's a reality. Okay. Especially in our country, right? Okay. What is that, totoong nangyayari? What do you mean by that? Ano yung totoong nangyayari?
Yung about sa part na ang hostisya ay para lang sa nangyayari. Kasi dapat po ang pera pinagagamitan lang po sa pangangailangan. Pero dahil po sa hangarin ng iba na manlamang ng kapwa o makaiwas sa batas, ginagamit nila ang pera para makaiwas sa parusang kailangan nilang matanggap.
You, very good. There, last one. Your general feelings when listening to the song. Sad, most of them say feelings. What else? Who else? Anyone? Sige, let's go with the content. What's important for you in that song? You feel somehow inspired or discouraged or whatever. Important word. Then try to connect that with the idea of politics, our subject, politics and governance. Anyone? You choose at least two or even one word, two words, a phrase, or even the whole the title of the song. By the way, what's the connection? Why it's called Tatsulok? Anyone? Aside from him. Why Tatsulok? It was actually a very popular song performed by Bamboo, right? Why Tatsulok?
Nakakaangat po sa pagpapaan sa mga naglalakaan.
Why Tatsulok? Triangle, why? What it usually illustrates?
Yung tatsulok po, yung upper, then middle, then lower po. Yung upper po, yung mga nakakataas sa atin na may hirap or mga may kaya din dyan. Yung nasa middle po, yung mga may trabaho na nagbabayad din po ng tax.
And then the song emphasize what? About that status, class system.
Yung sa kapag po may tatsulok, hindi po natatapos yung sulok kasi po, dahil sa pera din po, ginagamit ng mga upper class yung pera para yung mga nasa
Influence. Okay. Thank you. So Tatsulok, okay, larger portion below, the larger smaller population, I think 1% or 4%, they are above, very part of that what we call as such. Okay. What else? Last one. Anyone? Give you last points. By the way, I'm a secretary. Make note of that students.
Sa dahil po na balik talaga natin yung
poverty kasi yung kanta is tungkol kung paano naabuso ang mga tao na nasa poverty ng mga nakakataas. Ano po siya? It means po to flip the system that favors those who have money and power. Since justice is only served only for those who can pay. It's a warning po. Kaya po, feeling ko po nung kanina, very angry and disappointed sa justice system na dapat po equal sa lahat, kaso inaabuso.
At least most of the time. Although we would say, especially in the Philippine setting, of course, there are some high-profile people. So, sometimes we are actually using their, what they call wealth, their power, and influence. So later we are going to discuss about that. Okay. Power, what's the difference between power and authority? So, we have you as our guide, okay, in elaborating the status, the condition, not only in our country, but in okay? So, thank you very much. Now we will have a